Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a turn signal bulb on a Subaru Forester. This is a simple task you can do yourself with just a few basic items. First, make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down. You'll need a new bulb, typically a 7444 NA or 7443 A, and a clean cloth to handle it. Now, open your car's hood. Look for the turn signal light assembly, usually near the front corner of the vehicle. You'll need to reach behind this assembly to find the black bulb holder. It's often easily accessible without needing to remove any screws or panels, making this a quick fix. Once you have a grip on the bulb holder, twist it counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Then, carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Be sure to avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Push the new bulb firmly into the holder until it's securely seated. Now, carefully reinsert the bulb holder back into the light assembly, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise to lock it in place. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle and test the turn signal to ensure the new bulb is working properly. If it flashes correctly, you're all set. You can now close the hood.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.